Okay, so this is a video that I'm using to describe my WhatsApp Jira bot. So for those of you who don't know, what I'm trying to achieve here is I have created a project on my Jira account, and this is my URL. To what I want to do is I want to send a message from WhatsApp and then directly create an issue from WhatsApp to Jira bot. I'm doing this using Python command, code. Okay, and we'll talk about it in a moment. What we have to do in order to establish this connection, and I will go through how to set it up. Then I'll show you the how the project is working. Now to set up, you will need to install these files. You need to install Flask. You need to install Google search. Okay, we don't exactly need Google search, but we need Twilio. Uh, we will need this in order to integrate WhatsApp to receive messages from WhatsApp. We need Atlassian. Atlassian will be used in order to create our Jira API. Okay, and then we will need the requests. These are the four things that we need to reset up. And what I'm doing is inside my Jira API, I am going to show my. I'm basically going to create username and API token here. These two Jira API and Jira API token, and then you will create a Jira object that I have imported from Atlassian API. Once I have done this, I will set the cloud equal to true in order to establish the connection directly. We'll pass in our URL, we'll pass the username, we'll pass the password. You can perform this setup by yourself by giving in your username. Your username is basically your email address and API token that you will have to generate by yourself. Once you have done that, we'll pass it as username password in Jira, and this will give you, this is our Jira object that we are going to use. Okay, and you can also define the key of the project here. My key for the project is WJA, WhatsApp Jira API. And now let's come to the bot logic. These are some important imports that I have done. Okay, and what I'm doing is I'm listening for a slash route. Whenever there is a post request, I'm listening for that. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the input from the user, convert it to lowercase, and then I'm going to create a response object. Once I've created the response object, I will send that. I'll create a fields object which will be sent to Jira application. To do this, I will use the issue create method, and then I'll send the field as it is. Okay, and I'm leaving description out of this so that we can, however, take description from here, but I have not done that as it was not required. And then we send the response message once the once the process has been successfully executed. It's not much of an issue if we send the same name again, as I will show you in a moment. Then I can just run python bot.py, and then I will have to set up ngrok on that to take this server online. Once I've done this, I can simply go to WhatsApp and then send a message. Let's say edit a new video, and then I'll press enter. So it will start processing, posting given issue on open board, and it will give me an ID, a key, and a link to my issue. If I open this link, it will basically give me an object describing my uh, new issue. Okay, so did this work? To check this, we'll go back to our board. I'm going to refresh my board, and as we can see here, we have edit a new video. I will give it the same command. It will create a new posting. There will be no error. Edit a new video, and it will create a new issue ID, new key, and new link for that. And I can check it here. It will be updated in a moment. Here, edit a new video. So that's all. Thank you.